Mamelodi Sundowns news star acquisition Thembinkosi Lorch said he is ready to go up against his former employers, Orlando Pirates. The two teams will meet in a mouth-watering DStv Premiership clash at the Loftus Versfeld Stadium on Saturday night. Kickoff is at 8 p.m. on the final day of the transfer window, which ended late in January. Lorch made an unexpected switch to Brazilians. Thembinkosi made a surprise appearance in front of the media on Thursday, shortly after the press conference. He expressed his readiness to play, saying he hoped that coach Rulani Mokoena would allow him to make his debut against his former teammates. He said every player wants to play over the weekend, because we are playing against the Pirates, a big team and a big game. So I would say the coach will decide who plays. It will be up to him. However, it will be difficult for me to play my first game, especially against my former team. But in life, you need to move on. I'm hoping that I will start over the weekend and do my best for my team. Thembinkosi Lorch also expressed his sincere gratitude to Ivan Khoza, the chairman of the Bucs, and said, "I would like to take this opportunity to thank my former team, the Orlando Pirates, especially Dr. Ivan Khoza, for giving me an opportunity to play for a club like the Pirates. I remember signing for the club when I was 22 years old and living at the age of 30, so I am grateful for the opportunity that he gave me. Pirates will always have a special place in my heart." I also want to thank the president of Mamelodi Sundowns, Motsepe, for believing in me and bringing me into this beautiful club. I'm looking forward to giving my best for this team. Lorch shared a similar message with Pirates and Khoza in a media statement he posted on social media a few days after switching from the Sea Robbers to the Brazilians in Cloakop. Thembinkosi Lorch wrote on his Instagram account, "It is with a mix of emotions that I announce my departure from Orlando Pirates FC. I extend my deepest appreciation to the chairman, Dr. Ivan Khoza, for providing me with the opportunity to play for a club that has so much history and for all the support during the difficult times in my life. Thank you to the chairman of Mamelodi Sundowns, the management team, Coach Rulani and his successful technical team, for having confidence in me joining this prestigious team." Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.